Hi everyone, let's focus. Wait, actually, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a video about the burning gear thing, but another change is it that every time it drips, it will fall down there. So it doesn't burn like that one. So this one's actually really nice. Oh my god, I'm trying to make my camera. So this one's really nice right here, this gear, look at it. Yeah, it's all crisped up. And I feel like it's gonna do a lot of fire because, well, it's huge. So let's turn off the light. Grab my lighter. And turn it on. Oh, that's nice, that's nice, that's nice. Look at that. Yo! Whoa. It's bright. Let's get it in a different angle. I don't think you see it, but the motor, whoa. That was nice. I don't think you see it, God. Oh, he's gonna drip. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. That was cool. How about I back away? I don't think he's gonna do it anymore. So let's get close to it. Okay, I think it's starting to cool down. Is it about to leak? Bro, that's bright. From the down angle. Yeah, it's beginning to slip right now. Now it's just... That was nice. Turn the light. So, that's the motor. But you seen this drippy part right here? That's the stuff that came off. So, bro, it's basically just nothing now. It's basically just a crisp. But that's it. Let's see if this thing is hot. Is it? Oh, it's hot. It is actually hot. I can feel it. So I have to wait until this thing cools down. But that was really nice. Let's see if anything else happens. No. Oh, that's it. That's all about it. That's all. That's it. Oh my god, that's it. So see ya.